I don't know where to begin. We came to the United States penniless. Immediately we started to work. I went to school. My sister started to work. We worked and we saved. And Baruch Hashem, we established families who are continuing the life of Yiddishkeit, democracy, decency, caring for each other. We have to mention things that are good.
Yes, that
Not
exactly.
only what is sad.
Exactly.
There are lots of people here who do tremendous mitzvahs, donating, for unknown people. So people are doing good things. And this is what keeps us going, to do good things, to help each other, to donate to good causes. Everything is given by Hashem, by God, and the family unity. The family are the ones who infuse us with lots of strength and happiness. The children, the grandchildren give life into our lives. They are the ones that makes us happy, smiling. They come, they play, they jump. This is the enjoyment. This is that gives us strength to continue and to want to go on. According to the Torah, I think, they said that the world exists because of the good deeds that we do, not hate, not animosity, not anti-Semitism, no racism.
Every day. Every day to do good.
Every day to do good deeds that keeps us going.
That is correct.